Yeah, we're back at it. We're here with a new video. We're going to talk about how much of your Kaspa portfolio should you allocate to investing within the Kaspa ecosystem. In this case, investing within KRC20, meme coins, inscriptions. Okay, now you really have to first understand what are inscriptions. What are these KRC20s? These KRC20s are extremely unique because they are unruggable in a sense that they don't have centralized liquidity. Now, this is very different than, for example, Ethereum, Solana, things like that, because there's a much larger risk in those type of coins, tokens, because the dev could literally at any moment just pool the entire liquidity. There's ways to combat that, like renouncing contracts, and well, we'll go into that another day. But for now, we're gonna look at these meme coins, and you want to think of it as a liability, but actually, they aren't. They are a way to leverage your holdings, to maximize and optimize, to put your Kaspa to work, because all these top ones are here for a reason. They've been building and building and building. They don't have the risks associated with typical rug pools and honeypots that you perhaps could see farther down here. This is a classic example of a total scam. But so these top tokens, Nacho has been community building for almost an entire year now. Okay, literally almost an entire since 2020, since like May 2024. The idea was even in the thought bubble for even much longer. Kango is newer. They didn't launch right at the exact time of KRC20 release, but they have been building ever since then. Very strong. You know, Kaspa as well. They didn't not as old as Nacho, but these are huge communities with incredible leadership. Okay, you want to invest in projects in these communities that have a strong team, because these teams actually make a difference. If your project has a weak team, then it has a weak community. A strong team is the people that are grinding on a day-to-day. They're the people, you know, putting out posts on X, putting out, building projects like Nacho, building Cat Pool and building all the Cat DAO and all these different utilities. So, like, basically what I'm trying to say is you could put your Kaspa to work safely within these top meme coins. That's how it goes. The meme coin is a narrative that will always stay in crypto and has stayed with crypto since the very beginning of. You look at Dogecoin as the first, the first meme coin to ever launch, and look at it now. Let's just see. Let's go to Dogecoin CMC. See what comes up. Worth 25 billion market cap. Okay. And it's still down a ton, but look at that, 25 billion. And we're looking at Nacho here as not just some other meme coin, but it is the first fair launch token on Kaspa. Not even just a token, it's the first fair launched asset on Kaspa. It's literally the first and only derivative that you could get within Kaspa, within the Kaspa environment. So it's like Kaspa is worth billions. Well, this thing is only worth 15 million. So it's like on pumps, this thing pumps more. And the narrative on meme coins is the top meme coins reach 5 to 7 to up to 10% of the market cap of the native coin. Okay, and then there's other things to think about, like the market cap of meme coins. How is that? Like right now, we're in a Bitcoin dominant market, so meme coins are down a ton. I mean, just look at Dogecoin; it's down a ton. So they experience the heaviest, heavier pullbacks during market downtrends and stuff like that. During crashes, they see bigger crashes, but on bullish sentiment, on bullish markets, they maximize profit, they maximize gains. So at this level right now, across meme coins, across Kaspa meme coins, this is prime opportunity to allocate your Kaspa, to put some of your Kaspa to work. Now we're going to talk about how much of your Kaspa should that be, depending on how much exposure or risk appetite you have within these different investments. Okay, so that's what we're going to go into next.